Weekend meals coming to Hamla's is must. Let's see what we are having today.
Fish fry and fish roll is must whenever we come to Hanglas because that's our favorite. And not only me, even Joy relishes it a lot. Y'all will see how he is relishing the dish because that is both of our favorite. And last but not the least, the fish roll. So, how you all are enjoying your Sundays? Do let me know in the comment. Bye.